Send them back to another pair.
$400? Yes.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are working on the ZL1. It has been very long overdue, but I finally have the brake pads to swap them out. Let's pull the car in the shop and get to work. Kitty, I hear a kitty over here. There you are. Hi. Can I pet? So go boys. They should. No, it's not gonna go up in the front. That's why I usually drive on wood. Ready. All right, officially got the car on the lift. I'm gonna keep it low because it's just easier for me to get the wheels off the car. But yeah, so gonna get the wheels off the car first. It's always a challenge getting this freaking car on the lift because it's so low. My dad has to jack it up at the same time, and like I'm watching it and then putting it on the lift. It's a lot, but finally up. So let's just get to work. Got my homemade socket, as you guys know. All right, you're gonna find an impact.
60 seconds. Twist and pull.
Need a tie bar to bring it back. You have to have one.
Four-wheel drive.
Meta camera glasses. These are so fire, you guys. I might look a little stupid. All right, let's film the other tire. Push it out.
Want to shovel this down so you know what you have, or you don't care?
Yes. All right. Both pads out. Now let's replace. God damn it. It wasn't recording. Are you kidding? All right, guys, working on the front brake pads. First of all, there's a, it's loud in here, 13 mil, we're gonna get off. $13 bolt, and then knock this pin out. All right, I'm gonna get these two pins out. My hand is so shaky. Oh my God, my hand's so shaky. Ugh. First pin, bracket off. Gonna work on getting the second pin. This one, a lot easier because there's not any pressure on it, bam. And then we're gonna get this Oh, now we have to get the pads out. Where's my, now I need to yank the brake pads out. Are these recording? Yeah, they better be recording. So you guys can see the difference. Out with the old, in with the new. Why are these, hold on. Why the, Dad, where did these brake pads come from?
Where'd you find that? Why do you care?
Isn't that bad?
I don't know, but you're awful dirty.
There's pieces of
would never know
material.
that.
For $400, those things, I don't know.
Send them back to another pair.
$400?
Yes. I found them online for $100, but
If you're excited about it, wait another day and have your car up with the rack for a day.
I'll leave it up for a day. I don't want it to be, because then someone's gonna tell me that I did it wrong.
Tavius, right? Call Tavius, tell them to check.
I can buy them. I don't care if it's $400.
You want to call Tavius or I'm gonna go?
Was it like that on the other side? and I didn't notice. Now I'm questioning. Boy. All right, guys, I think I'm gonna have to take this side apart because now that I'm thinking about it, I don't remember double checking. And this side could have brake pads too, so now we're back at square one. All right, let's see if these ones were also messed up. No, these ones are fine. These ones are good. Let's take out the other one. These ones are good. So I think it was just the passenger side. So I don't know where the heck these came from, but no bueno. So now I have to wait, get new brake pads, and start all over again. But at least it's taken apart now and all of that. So I'll keep you guys updated when I get new pads. All right, so now guys, basically I have to take these brake pads back to Chevy and exchange them for new ones. And I should have known something was messed up when they came in this rinkety box. So yeah, let's go exchange them and start this process over again. All right, guys, just got here. Let's go swap these calipers. And it's at the dealership. It's always so funny because when I pull up, I know how it like works at a dealership. The salesman just like come and attack you. I always get attacked by salesmen. Look at this guy. This guy is about to attack me. All right, guys, bag secured. Hopefully they're the right part number, so we should be good to go. Now I'm gonna head back to the shop and finally finish the job. I'm back. That was annoying, but that just goes to show you how much really goes wrong. And usually stuff doesn't go right working on cars, and that's just life, but we have a brand new box, so that looks a lot better than the old box. Why couldn't they just give these to me before? I don't know. All right, guys, driver's side's done. Let's go to the passenger and then I'll be all done for the day finally. All right, got the driver's side done. Didn't realize my mic wasn't on the whole time. So sorry about that, guys. But now just have the passenger side, and this is already taken apart, ready to go. So just put the new pads in, put it back together, and then we're good to go. All right, new pads, bam, bam. Screw, tighten, take a pin, goes back in here. Gonna hammer this back in. I'm not worried about hitting the paint off in the back. You don't see it, so it is whatever. Pocket, arrow goes up. All right, all done. I'm gonna put the car back down to where I can lift the wheels and tires back on. I need it lower because it's easier for me to do. Get the wheels and tires back on, and we're good to go. All right, now we're gonna get the wheels and tires back on. This is always a challenge for me because I am not strong for this, you guys. I need someone to put the tires on for me. I'm just not strong enough. We're gonna get there one day though. I was seriously looking for the lug nut. It was right here the whole entire time. That's ridiculous. All done. All right, guys, all done for the front brake job. And yeah, I don't know how I got this dirty. Well, I know how I got this dirty. It's because I used my body as leverage to get the tire back on. But like, even using this, I still wasn't strong enough to get my own tire on the car, and I had to have someone else do it. Yeah, I need to work on that. I need some like arm strength. Anyways, hope you guys like this video. Let's get the ZL1 out of here.